Welcome. If you've been using Telegram on your PC lately, you might have noticed that animated stickers keep looping over and over again, which can sometimes feel distracting or even a bit annoying. The good news is, Telegram has added a simple setting that lets you turn this off in just a few clicks. Let's walk through how to stop animated stickers from looping on the Telegram desktop app. First, go ahead and open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your settings without any issues. Once the app is open, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Click on those three lines to open the main menu. From the menu, find and click on Settings. This will take you to the main configuration area where you can customize how Telegram works for you. Inside Settings, look for Chat Settings and click on it. This section controls how your chats appear and behave, including animations and sticker behavior. Now, scroll down a bit until you find the option labeled Loop Animated Stickers. By default, this option is usually turned on, which is why your stickers keep repeating continuously. To stop the looping, simply toggle this option off. Once you disable it, animated stickers will play just once instead of looping endlessly.